guys, today we are visiting one of the oldest church in Darjeeling, that is St. Andrew's Church. You can have a look over there. So I'm making a quick small vlog of Christmas Day today. It's a Christmas, so I'll be showing you around how Christmas is celebrated in Darjeeling. Alright, so let's go and check it out, how it is going. I have my brother Sudarshan. Ankit is taking the videos, so let's go ahead and check it out. St. Andrew's Church is an old Anglican church located at the Mall Road in Darjeeling town of West Bengal. It is one of the most beautiful structures in Darjeeling and also one of the popular pilgrimage places to visit in Darjeeling. Named after the patron saint of Scotland, St. Andrew, the foundation stone of church was laid by the British in 1843 and was completed in 1844. The church was built in Gothic style of architecture, which is one of the signature styles of British architecture. The origin of this architecture is believed to date back to 12th century AD. Some of its characteristics include the pointed arch, the ribbed vault, and the flying buttress, most of which is found in the St. Andrew's Church. The ambience inside the church is very spiritual, ethereal, and quiet.
प्रभु तपाईं पवित्र आत्मा जहाँको माझमा भएर परमेश्वर पिता परमेश्वर पुत्रको सबै कुराहरूलाई तपाईंको वचनद्वारा हामीलाई सिकाएर दिन प्रतिदिन भइरहेको छ। रोजीवाला धन्यवाद जनाउँछौँ। प्रभु यस समय हामी तपाईंको प्रार्थनाको थालमा प्रवेश गरिसकेका छौँ। जति पनि आइरहेका छन् यो बिन्ती गर्दछु भएका तपाईँले अनुग्रह गरिदिनुहोस्। आज यो खुसीको दिन आनन्दको दिनमा जो चाहिँ हामी मनाउँदा यो तपाईँको महिमा तपाईँको प्रशंसा हामी प्रतिक्रिया गर्न सकेका हौँ।
So guys, we are inside St. Andrew's Church right now. We are done with the prayer service and a few carol songs. So I'm showing you around how it looks from inside. It's pretty old.
Hallelujah, Hosanna, yo mero jeevan ko chahana. Hallelujah, Hosanna.
So guys, we are done with the service over here in St. Andrew's Church. So now we are moving to another church, Botanical Garden, right? So let's go. These are my group. Hamro बहिनीहरु अमृता बहिनी, यहाँ ललिता बहिनी, सुड अन्त अंकित. So let's go.
शान्तिमा छु प्रभुहरूका